In this video, I'll be showing you how to order on Subway app. So you want to go to Start Order a menu, click the sandwich that you want, select whether you want to make it a deal or not, and then here will give us an option to fill in, customize a sub, change the sizes, change the cheese, the extras, the sauces, seasonings, etc. Once we're happy, press continue, choose our drink, choose our side, have cookies and crisps, and then when we are ready to check out, press view back and check out. Here is our order details, and then when we're ready to continue payment, here it gives us an option to pay by Apple Pay, or we can add another payment method, paper card, etc. When you're done, press pay now, and your order will be placed with that Subway store. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.